Hey folks, Matt King out here with the King Piers team in Baldwin City. We are getting ready to finalize the pier installation. We have 8 King Pier 2s that we are installing. These should be the final 2 on the front porch here. So you can see it's pretty bright out. Hopefully you can catch it on here. You can see the laser right there with our chalk line. So as we start lifting, that chalk line should be raising above the laser dot. So we're going to try to get this porch back in. You can see the little bit of separation right there. So ideally we will be able to get this lifted back up, no problem. So you can already see we've raised this porch nearly an inch in about 60 seconds. Now we're even past that. You can see the dirt starting to separate from the porch now that we're getting it lifted back where it needs to be. And it's just simple hydraulics raising our King Pier. I don't know if you can catch it on the video. You can hear some of the creaking and popping as we lift this back up. So look at that right now. We are about 2 inches. 2 inches since I started shooting this video exactly 2 minutes ago. So just a great showcase of how easy it is when you have the King Piers system raising anything back to its correct level elevation. So we'll take a look on the side here. So we got everything right here. We're going to do a little bit more on this particular end, but at least this front part we've got raised 2 inches. So we're going to shim the bottom of the pier so it's locked in tight on top of our load-bearing steel plate. And that is pretty much it, folks. Very quick to raise an object back to level. And again, with a King Pier installation, we have our King Pier placed on our load-bearing steel plate, 2 hydraulic bottle jacks on each side of the pier, and then we just slowly raise that pier by hand, extending those jacks until we have it raised back to its correct level elevation. Then the pier is going to get locked into place, and then finally it's going to be encased in high-strength concrete. So yeah, we have really done a lot of work on this job. So we'll be looking at doing concrete here in about an hour. So stay tuned for more updates as we continue along out here in Baldwin City. You can find those updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.